Watch what I use to remove all the fat from his stomach and clean his liver, since he consumes this powerful remedy. Everyone asks me if my husband paid me for surgery or liposuction for this powerful remedy. We will take an apple and cut it into small pieces. The apple is a source of calcium and phosphorus, indispensable in the formation of bone mineral salts. Thank you very much to the people who watch and share our video. For our second ingredient, we will need a beet, previously washed and peeled. Now we will chop it into small pieces. Beets contain a high concentration of antioxidants, responsible for fighting inflammation in the body. That is why it is a secret weapon to relieve and prevent arthritis. Once the beet is diced, we will preserve it. And for our last ingredient, we will take 2 limes and cut them into slices. Then we will squeeze them to extract all their juice. The lime provides a large amount of vitamin C, potassium, and smaller amounts of other vitamins and minerals. Now we will take all the ingredients to a blender. Then we will add 500 milliliters of water, and we will cut them into small pieces. We will then cut them into slices. Then we will cover it and let it blend for 3 minutes. While we blend here, blessings, this powerful remedy is a potent antioxidant. It fights any stomach problem, being an ally to lower the swelling of your belly. It is also the best to eliminate bad breath. After a while, you will see that the beet is now completely dry. After 2 or 3 minutes, our powerful apple, beet and lime remedy is ready to drink. If you wish, you can strain it if you are bothered by lumps, but it is better to drink it like this. Take this powerful fat-burning and antioxidant remedy 3 times a week for best results. It is recommended to take it in the morning on an empty stomach, so you will feel its effect throughout the day or at night before going to sleep. The tips we give you here are compliments for your health